its authority in this land. As the Chihuahuas team up against the big doggy that I forgot the name was. The doggy seems to be scared. The Chihuahua seems to be winning. In their natural habitat, the Chihuahua is measuring its ability to kill the other dog. They can be very fierce against each other. Look. It seems to be the big doggy's girlfriend came out to help him. Chica's devastated because her boyfriend Luke cheated on her with Benji. And Benji's a man, which means Luke is a gay dog. A gay dog in his natural habitat. She seems to be angry at Luke for cheating on her. Look, Chica's family is backing her up. She seems to be saying words.
Listen up. I am the big dog around here. And you think you can just go out with that stink? I am the big dog around here. You are nothing to me. Now listen to me, guys. Listen to me. I am the Mexican Chihuahua, and I will not be defeated by you. Chihuahua powers, unite! That was stupid. I'm sorry. But you still cheated on me, and that makes me sad. Daddy, shut up! Speedy, you need to go. Just leave.
I don't know what you're talking about. These guys are messing with you, Chica. We need to beat them up now.
No. Shut up. I don't need your consent.
Yo. This is my house. Now kick your butt. Listen to me. Look how much.
You could not kick my butt. I am Chica. I will take you both on at once.
But I don't want to. That's it.
I will teach you now.
He seems to be getting out of control. Stop the video. Stop. This has to be the stupidest video of all time. This is what a guy does when he's bored. I'm telling you. See. That's what I didn't even bleep out the barks. That is what a male does when he's bored. He doesn't do any of the other fancy stuff that, people say will do. I swear. I don't touch my parts. I swear I don't get my nose. Dang my freaking storage. I mean, what you gonna do? Happens all the time. That's what happens. You got the cheap way out. Now, this video, it took with no effort. So it's supposed to be the stupidest video you have ever seen. Why are you still here? Why? Just why are you still here? Oh, you're still here. You have a beautiful face, by the way.
Hey! I do not want to be filmed!
No racism, I do not condone it. I do not like it. This video is made for fun, and it's as stupidity as ever